In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Evernote for free. If you're looking to organize your notes, manage your ideas, and do it all without spending a dime, then this is the place for you. We're going to dive into Evernote's free plan, which offers a solid entry point for anyone keen to explore this versatile application while keeping their budget intact. Firstly, let's talk about what the free plan includes. At its core, Evernote provides a limited yet functional experience that allows you to create up to 50 notes per account. Now, while this might not sound like much, it can be quite sufficient if your note-taking is concise and specific. The idea here is to make the most of the notes you have, focusing on quality over quantity. You might find it helpful to use one note for multiple thoughts by separating your ideas with different headings or dates to maximize your usage effectively. Next, you'll find that you're limited to just one notebook in the free plan. Again, this requires some strategic organization, but it doesn't have to be a hurdle. Use tags and well-thought-out titling to categorize your information within that solitary notebook. Think of it as a digital filing cabinet with dividers rather than separate drawers. This feature can streamline your search process while keeping your content orderly and easy to access. Now, an important thing to note is the device restriction. You're allowed to connect to just one device on the free plan, including the web version, which counts as a device itself. Therefore, it's crucial to decide early on where you'll mostly want access to your notes. If you need to switch between devices, you'll have to unsync the current one to move to another. This could be a smooth transition if you anticipate your usage habits. Perhaps you might decide mornings are for desktop note-taking and afternoons for using your phone on the go. This manual swapping ensures you can have your notes wherever you are, given you plan ahead. Evernote has recently unlocked some of its enhanced features for free users starting April 2024. This includes limited access to tasks, calendar, and the home dashboard. While the scope is limited, it's a fantastic opportunity to test these features and see if they increase your productivity. You'll get a taste of task organization and calendar syncing, which could provide just the right amount of functionality to optimize your workflow without costing extra. So, there you have it, an overview of how to navigate Evernote's free plan effectively and make the most out of its capabilities. While there are limitations, with a bit of planning and creativity, you can keep your notes organized, your life in order, and your expenses to a minimum. If this solution aligns with your needs, you're now ready to start using Evernote for free and take a step closer to better digital organization without breaking the bank.